What up, YouTube? Back with another video. This time I'm going to unbox the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. These are the gray silver graphite edition. So I had the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro and they were amazing. These have that stick design, whatever they call it. I felt that the Buds 2 Pro stuck in my ears really well, whether I was working out, whether I was on an airplane, or just walking, doing whatever. They stuck in my ear, they sounded great, they had active noise canceling, and by all accounts these are supposed to be much better, so I definitely went and bought these with the discounts that they provided on the pre-order. It says here that they're Bluetooth, ultra high quality sound with enhanced two-way speaker, advanced adaptive ANC, active noise canceling, sound optimization, and the blade lights. So they have these little pull tabs. So sadly we won't be busting out the knife. And they say they retail for $249.99. That was not the price I paid. They were giving them away with a way better deal at pre-order. And I think you can still pre-order now even though they've been out for a few days. It's not considered the pre-order, but it's considered the launch. And they still give some great deals, great trade-ins. I didn't trade anything in for these. They just had a good deal. I like to keep my old buds just in case, since they're small, they can be lost or stolen very easily. Alright, so this box does not just pop right out. Alright, here we go. So you get find your perfect fit, place the bud in your ear, rotating if needed to secure a fit, pair with your mobile device. Alright, here they are. They come in a case reminiscent of a case many of you may know, a white case. Looks like these are also said to be like a knockoff of the Apple Buds. I don't know, at this point everybody was knocking off Apple. There was the Nothing brand or something like that. So I opened them up and you could see there was like a little green light. That's usually the charging indicator. There's a yellow, orange for the right and blue for the left side. And if you pop them out, there's a little orange and an R. If you could see that right there, an R and an orange for the right side. And an L and a blue for the left side. And it also has the little LED indicator, the light, the blade light that it's called. So the red means it needs to be charged and it's charging from the case. As you can see, the case is a little bit see-through. It's got that dark frosted glass. There's a charging port access here and a Bluetooth button. I'm sorry, a Bluetooth button to connect it to a pairing button to connect it to your device. So, and a little Samsung branding right there. I don't know if you can see that with the light shining. It's just Samsung. But yeah, there you go. You can see it now. Alright, let's see what else is in the box. Probably just charging cord and instructions, but there's no charging brick. There's just the charging cable, which is USB-C to USB-C, and then you got some extra earpieces for different sizes depending on what size your ear hole is. If you got a big ear hole, then you might need a bigger size. Who knows? I thought I had in my last video I thought I had a small wrist, and then my trail band didn't fit. So who knows? Maybe I have a big ear hole too. And yes, I'm saying ear hole, not other things. But anyways, that's all that comes in here. Nothing else. Some instructions. And to connect them, if you have a Samsung device, which obviously I have my Fold here, then all you have to do is open it up and it connects. A new device has been found. If you don't have a Samsung Galaxy phone or a Samsung phone, then you probably just have to press this Bluetooth button, the pairing button, and then follow the pairing instructions, which are right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and pair these, listen to them, and then maybe I'll make a bigger review, a full review. But otherwise, they're very nice. They feel good in the hand. They're tiny. And let's see. They go in very easy. And they don't come out very easy. A little shaking. I'm shaking this hard and they're stuck in there. And then obviously if they're closed, they're not coming out. That's not opening. So all in all, I like these. Haven't listened to them obviously, but based on looks alone, aesthetics, and based on past performance with my Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, I would recommend these, but I'll hold off on that until I actually listen to them and get some time listening and running in them and everything like that. But anyway, stay tuned for another video. Talk to y'all later.